Hey guys, for this video, we are going to check out the new Copperfang 30th Anniversary Special Edition. Let's go! Alright, so let's start. Let's open the box. Now, let's first talk about the chassis. This is FMA chassis made from ABS material, and color, this is light blue. Now, let's move on to the cowl. Same material, ABS resin, and color, this is clear blue. Okay. And then moving on to the tires, this is a medium-sized slick tires, and it has lettering. It says 30th anniversary Tamiya, Korea. Now for the rims, this is a spoke wheels and it's color white. Now you see on the side, it's all narrow, perfect for speed. Okay, and it also comes the tail part or the rear section. Alright, next, now let's talk about the internals. This is low friction resin A parts, so it's color white and comes with battery cover and a motor cover, motor catch. It also has 30mm rollers and some plastic bearings. Okay, now this pack includes a 3:5:1 gear ratio. It also comes with a wheel shaft, propeller shaft, some screws, nuts, and some Tamiya grease. Now this kit includes a motor, a single shaft motor. It's a Rev Tune 2, and you can see there's a Copperfang label on it. So it's a very special edition, only for Copperfang 30th anniversary special. And it also comes with the manual, and last but not the least, the decals to make your car look awesome. We are inviting you to visit the Attic Yarn and Hobby Studio in Marikina City and experience a wonderful time building and playing with your Tamiya car. We have daily fun race, time attack, and monthly tournament. Track layout changes every month to make things challenging. I hope you learned something from this video. Stay safe and have fun racing.